So if one day you come across this kind of question in your exams, in your music theory exams, or maybe in your playing, your performance, you see this kind of notes and you're confused and you don't know how to just play through about it, relax. I'm going to give you a simple tip, and maybe if it's in your exams, don't overstress your brain. Just use this simple method and everything will be settled. Now the question says the bar lines are missing from this extract. Look at the time signature and put in the bar lines. They all begin on the first they all begin on the first beat of the bar. Okay, now let's see how we can solve it. The first one is G, and the time signature we are not even interested in the key signature for now, or the note set. What we are really after for now is alright. So what's the meaning of 4 crochet beats per bar? So at this point, crochet is taking 1 beat. Now we see varieties of notes here, and then our work is just to put in where the bar line is supposed to be to divide the music into equal parts. Now what type of note is this? It has 3 tails. Now if it's quiver, this is quiver. Quiver will take half. Semi-quiver will take quarter. And demi-semi-quiver will take 1/8. Alright, so let's see what type of note is this. It has 3 tails, so that means the note is demi-semi-quiver. So we have here 1/8 and we have here 1/8. What type of note is this? It's a quiver. So a quiver for this time signature is a half. So we have a dotted quiver here. So a dotted quiver is the dotted half of the original, which is a quiver, which is a quarter. Now let's see. 2/8 is quarter. Quarter plus quarter is half plus this one. So from here to here we now have 1 beat. Now this is crochet, another 1 beat plus 1 crochet here. Now the same thing here, we have how many 8 notes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 8 notes, that's 8, 8, 8, 8. We now come up with quarter plus quarter, which is a half. So we now have a half here, and half plus half, because for this time signature quiver is half. So half plus half here, we end up having from here to here 1 note. And then this is half quiver. So half, and this is a quiver rest, which is still half. Now we have here, remember we've had here 1 plus 1, now plus 1 again, half plus half. This is 1 also. So you see, we now have here 1 note plus 1, 2 plus 1, which stops here, 3 plus 1 here, 4. So this is where we put the balance. So the same thing here, we have 3 of the 8s here, which is 8 and 8. These 2 notes, we now have quarter from it, and then we have half plus a dotted half, which is quarter. So quarter plus quarter here is half. Half plus half is 1. So from here to here we have a whole note, 1 note, and then we have 1 here. That's 1 plus 1, 2, and then we have 4 8 notes, which ends up in a half, because 8 plus 8 is a quarter, and 8, 1 8 and 1 8 is a quarter, and we end is a 1/8, a quarter. And so we quarter plus quarter is half. So we have half here plus half here, which is 1 whole note. So from here to here has given us 1 whole note, and oh sorry, this is a quarter rest. This is a quarter, and half here plus a quarter plus a half rest, sorry, half and half. So we now have 1 2 3 2 halves, 1. So we now put our own text. As simple as that. And what's 2 for? It means 2 crochet beats per bar. So we still take this formula, because crochet is taking 1 beat, quiver is half, and semiquiver is quarter, and 1/8 is demi-semiquiver. So let's see how many 4 will give us 4 demi-semiquiver. This is 2 will give us a quarter, and 2 will give us a quarter, because each of these, each is 1/8, each is 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 into 2 is a quarter, and here a quarter too. Quarter into 2 is half. Now we have the same thing here, so we have another half here. So half plus half now give us 1. This note now have given us 1 crochet. So the same thing here, half, and the same thing here, half. So we now have 2 crochets, 1 plus 1. So we now have 2 crochets from all these notes. So this is where we put our bar line. We have here, what type of rest is this? It's demi-semiquiver rest. So we have another 3 demi-semiquiver here, which this rest plus this is equivalent to this. The only difference is that you not play this and you play only 3, while this one you play 4. So from here to here now we have half, and from here to here this is equivalent to this. This rest is demi-semiquiver rest, so it's equivalent to adding 1 here to be 4. So we have another half here, and this one we have half, and there is no space for me to put 1 more. Let me try to create a space and put 1 more, which we can have something like this. Okay, maybe I can put another rest here, and then I can put more notes. I'll put notes here, 3 notes. All right, so we have a demi-semiquiver rest plus 3 demi-semiquiver notes, which is equivalent to half crochet, which is a quiver. So that means 4 demi-semiquiver is a quiver. So now we have here another 4 demi-semiquiver, that's from here to here. And we have here from here to here another 4 demi-semiquiver, and we have here another 4 demi-semiquiver, which is equivalent to 2 half is 1, 2 of half, 2 half, no, that's 2 quiver is 1 crochet, and 2 quiver is 1 crochet. So we now have here 2 crochets. So can you see how we've been able to solve this answer without stress? So if you come across question like this, and you don't need to stress yourself, you don't need to stress your brain, just write out this formula and you're good to go. No stress.